hard work and learning from failure. Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy Headmistress Ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very warm and scintillating morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Vrinda, and I, Devansh, along with my friends of class 5th B, welcome you all in today's class assembly. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Newspaper informs us what is happening around us in the paranormal world.
Kejriwal moves at sea against severe arrest hearing today. Will equip latest weapons to army. Now some sports news. Cristiano Ronaldo playing his last European Championship.
Getting new thoughts in the morning works like a fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So to inspire us with thoughts, here comes Himanya and Harshal.
Don't give up. The beginning is always hardest. Life rewards those who work hard as it. कुछ नया काम करने में संकोच मत करो. ये मत सोचो कि हार ही होगी. हार तो कभी नहीं होती. या तो जीत मिलेगी या सीख.
Thank you friends for the wonderful thoughts. A poem can give us a positive opinion to start our day with hope, encouragement and inspiration.
Oh man, work like a dog and live like a king. Hard work can help you accomplish anything. The systematic work only bears the fruit. Try to select only an appropriate route. Try to select only an appropriate route. You are a gifted human being with intelligence. Show your prodigy and prove your confidence. The world is so wonderful with opportunities in which you live around many communities.
तो तेरे अंदर के साहस को पहचान लेता है. कोई है जो तेरे हौसलों को उड़ान देता है. छुपा नहीं रह सकता किसी फनकार के अंदर. हर फन परिश्रमी को मैदान देता है. सिर्फ वही बदल सकता है सपनों को हकीकत में जो शख्स जिंदा दिल रहकर अपनी जान देता है.
Hope you all like the poems and also learn something from them. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose.
Hard work is the most important key to success. The achievements without hard work are impossible. An idle person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for the better opportunity to come. The person who is working hard is only able to gain success and happiness in life.
There are no secrets to success. It is the result of hard work, preparation and learning from failure. To know more about hard work, let us call Aryajit on the stage.
Key to success. Number 1. Hard work motivates and rewards you. Number 2. Hard work shows you are dependable. Number 3. Hard work helps you develop self-discipline. Number 4. The harder you work, the quicker you get ahead. Number 5. Hard work shows commitment.
We'll be presenting a skit for all of you. And the topic of the skit is hard work is the only key to success.
Sports day was fast approaching at school. All the children were extremely excited and busy practicing for the big race. Karan, one of the fast runners of the school, was confident that he would win for. He was not doing anything at all.
Mother, you have to work hard to come first in the race, Karan. You are not going in the field at all.
His mother reminded him to practice.
Karan, Mama, you know how fast I am. Then why should I waste my time in running? I will win, no else will. Mother, Karan, you may be right, but talent without hard work is not good at all. This laziness of yours will cost you greatly.
Karan just laughed and shrugged his shoulders. He was so confident that he would win the trophy as no one else in his class was as fast as he was. Gokul, a classmate of Karan, was also participating in the running race. He was not a fast runner, however. He was very dedicated and practiced every day till late night and had developed great endurance and willpower to run the race. Very few days were left for the sports day, but Karan did not practice at all. On the other hand, Gokul practiced day and night. Sports day was almost near the corner, but Karan was still confident that no one could beat him and had not practiced at all. But Gokul, with his dedication and efforts, had developed a very swift runner. At last, the sports day arrived. All the children crowded in the ground to cheer their favorites.
Karan, 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 Karan.
The signal was given to the participants to give the race. The coach blew the whistle and everyone began sprinting towards the finish line. It was so exciting. Karan and Gokul were neck to neck now. Their aim was to reach the finishing line. People lining the track cheering them. Come on, Karan, come on, Gokul.
Come on, Karan. Come on, Gokul. Come on, Karan. Come on.
Soon it became clear that Karan was going to beat Gokul, but when they were just few meters from the finishing line, Gokul surprisingly took speed and ran ahead and reached the finishing line. Gokul took everyone by surprise. He proudly received the trophy and prize money. Karan's mother came to Gokul and praised him for his hard work.
Mother, you deserve it for your dedication and effort.
Thanks, Auntie, and walked proudly with his trophy.
Karan hugged his hand in shame. His mother turned to him and said,
Mother, look, Karan, talent without hard work is simply useless. Gokul puts his efforts and got rewarded for his hard work. Hard work is the only way to success.
Now Karan understood the necessity for hard work. This incident brought about a major change in his life.
Dancers are the messengers of God.
That was indeed a mesmerizing performance. How captivating, how solacing. The tone of music still tickling my eardrums. Keep it up, dear students.
This was all about the class assembly. I hope you all have enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure being with all of you.